Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. Today I'm going to be showing you, one second, let me just leave this chat. Okay, today I'm going to be showing you why I decided to go for a i5 over the i7. So 12th gen is the last generation, which is quite new still. It's 2022, and this is the latest one, which is 13th gen. So the processor I bought is the i5 13600K. I'll tell you why now, over the i7 from the last gen. Okay, so these are all the specs. I'll show you the price difference. About 20 quid difference. The i5 is 20 quid more cheaper, but he actually outperforms the i7. I've even seen it in gameplay footage. It does miles better than this i7. You get more frames with this i5, only because it has more cores and it has a better speed. I'll show you what I mean on the specs. You'll have a look now. Okay, so so these are the two specs we're going to be comparing, and you have the normal one there as well, the 12700, the not unlocked one. Okay, so already there's 2 cores more that this one has, even though it's efficiency cores. So he has double the efficiency cores, 8 cores of them, and 6 performance cores rather than the 8 that the i7 has. Let me put the brightness down a bit. There you go. Does that help? There you go. That might be a bit better. Okay. So you got max turbo is higher. Alright. Threads are the same. Okay. Performance core max turbo is about is higher, but the efficiency max turbo is higher as well. Performance core base frequency, that's the main one. So that's a lot higher than the base of the 12700. Because I'm planning to get the 12700K anyway. I was looking for the 12700 version only because of the power rating. I'll show you that. The power it uses is 65 watts. Look how good that is on power. But yeah, that's because it has weaker cores and stuff. Alright, let's have a look. Efficiency cores, okay. Performance core base frequency. So this has a slightly better performance core, but it's still weaker than the other one. Efficiency cores are about the same. It has a bit weaker, the i5 one, but it has more cache. And the turbo is actually less. It uses less power than the i7, which is what I needed, because I'm using a very small, what do you call it, power supply. I'm using 850 watts, is it, or 750? I can't remember. I've done a video on it. 750 or 850, I don't know, one of the two. So yeah, it's not a very big power supply. The main reason I got that size is because I wanted RGB one. I know it's a gimmick, but it is what it is. And yeah, the biggest one I could find was 750 or 850. I don't remember which one it is. It's a Corsair one. But yeah, so 2022 this came out, so it's the latest one, and the other ones are 2021. Well, that one's 2021, the other one's 2022. Alright, and this has the faster RAM as well. That's the main thing as well. So with the DDR5, this got 4800 MT. This has 5600 MT, so you could do 5600 megahertz. And my board, it supports 6000 megahertz or 6000 MT, so it's future proofed a little bit, I guess. So this has more memory bandwidth in this new processor, the i5 one, so it's much better. Graphics are about the same, I think. All of them, yeah, they have the same graphics chip. Let's see if there's any difference at all. Nope. Everything else is the same. Alright. So yeah. Only thing this is missing is an Intel Boost Max Turbo 3, which is minor. Sorry. Okay, so yeah. That's why I chose the i5 13600K. It's £20 cheaper. It outperforms this one and this one on games. If you look on YouTube and stuff, you'll see. I've seen head-to-head videos that literally outperforms it. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Good night.